We promise and we over-deliver. Welcome to Gbajumo's Court.
So day by day, we are here at the Gbajumo's Court, and as you can see, we commence the development of the gatehouse. It's not the usual you see. You can see the depth of the foundation and the modern concept we are doing here at the Gbajumo's Court. Subscribe here at the Gbajumo's Court today and enjoy the premium offer we have for you. The 500 square meters still going for 15 million and the 300 square meters for 9 million naira. This is the new luxury in the city of Ibadan.